show us how you ride the train. Case. Hey, Reese, what do you think? Is that pretty fun? Yeah.
Oh. You gonna push it?
Can you push it? Can you give your kitty a ride on the train? Yeah? Oh, good job. You need Mommy to help